This is Novoton Ten Shop I channel. We are here at FNB Stadium. Kaizer Chiefs 1, Polokwane City 0. My brother, how's it?
I'm good at yourself.
Good man. Your name, where do you come from?
Randy Klaus, West Rand.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What's your take on the game tonight?
I think I would say containment and game management. We did that extremely well.
Yeah.
Polokwane City is a very, very tough team to beat.
Yeah.
And we know historically we've never really conquered them. But today we managed to contain them. We played really well.
Yeah.
A little bit on the, I think, conservative side. But the guys did well. Yeah.
Where do you think you have won this match?
I think it was evident today that from an attacking side, in terms of our forwards, we didn't really have a dedicated marksman. You know, I know Lelepo was switching roles. Yeah, he was switching roles, but I think we needed a proper number 9. We were playing probably with false 10 and 9,
exactly,
and we were just switching up. But I think we need a proper number 9 for us to be able to be decisive and clinical. To win games. It's very important.
Your message to the assistant coaches who have won 6 points in 2 games.
Well done. I think it's been a tough, I would say, 12 years. You know, I'm a revived Kaizer Chiefs supporter. Been very dormant, but I decided, since last year, I'm gonna take the stride and put the energy forward and support the team. And it's important for us to be here. It's important for the team to win. I think the happy index of South Africa has risen up, I think, by about 58%. So it's important for this team to perform well. We've gained a spot in the Confederations Cup.
Exactly.
And it's also important for the guys to be exposed. Because we need to do a proper team rotation. We need quality players, and I think the players that have been playing here for like 2-3 seasons, they really need to up the ante in terms of understanding how big this team is. It's just not about I think sometimes there's a casual approach because Kaizer Chiefs is such a I would say a proper team in terms of the resources that they offer and the structure and everything. But the players need to up the ante, the intensity, the mindset and the culture, because a lot of people come here with perhaps their last amount of money, you know what I mean, and they sacrifice a lot for these players, and for them not to perform becomes a little bit a punch in the face for the supporters. But it's important. It's a big team, and kudos to the technical team for what they did. And we also send our regards and to the coach's wife. May she recover, and well wishes. But we have to do the business again. We have to do the business.
I think we're playing Richards Bay at home again next week. Do you think you're gonna maybe come out alive?
We definitely have to. I think these what we call these so-called small teams are very potent. Because what they do, they study you. They understand what you guys are all about. And then if you're not technically astute, they're gonna punish you. So again, it's game management. You don't necessarily have to do the dirty work because this is a marathon. But this is a marathon. This is not a cup competition.
100 meters.
You literally have to relax. Not relax really, but really manage the outcomes and have a positive outcome of the game. Really manage the game and have a positive outcome.
Perfect. Lastly, your message to the fans who have been booing their players, especially last season. What's your message to them this season?
It's two-phased. It's what you perceive and what the actuality is. We often forget that these players are human beings. They're playing at a professional level.
Exactly.
It's extremely pressurized. You understand? As much as they're earning monies, and we can say they earn a lot of money, but it's a pressurized environment. There's social media. There's a lot of banter. Sometimes people use these platforms to talk negatively to address these players without any respect. Right? But these players are representing, I think, an iconic structure, from the 1970s. So this is older than our democracy. You understand? So this, for Kaizer Chiefs to even be here at the Calabash, this is what do you call the soccer city?
90,000 plus
Capacity. This is one of the largest stadiums on the continent. It's in the top 5 in the world.
Yeah, exactly.
Right?
Yeah.
So this is the mecca of South African football. 2010, the opening game of the World Cup was hosted here.
Even the closing game was
The closing game, Espanyol, with the tiki-taka, they were here.
when they beat Netherlands.
You understand? Messi played here.
Exactly. Maradona was coaching here.
Exactly. So this is an iconic platform or place for South African football, and Kaizer Chiefs as an iconic team, the Glamour Boys of Pefeni. So I think to the masses, they have to understand that sometimes we have to build, and when you build, you're not just building a structure, but you have to start from the foundation.
Exactly.
You understand? And sometimes the foundation has to solidify in order for the structure to come up.
To be strong.
And to be strong, exactly.
Thank you so much, my brother.
Appreciate you,
Good
man.
analysis as always.
Dope one.
For your soccer updates, visit www.2010sharpi.com.